morning. How are you today? We are Lopmin today. Enjoy time for picnic. And now my cat finished. We have spare with my barbecue. Hot pot soup. Very nice. Noodle. Cakey puppy. And boiling now for soup. Enjoy time, okie dokie. Beautiful time together. Create for a lot min. Enjoy, Susu. Thank you for watching. Now, 30 for November 12, 2020. 30. Oh yes, December 30. On the no December, yeah, 25. Enjoy time. I love men. Thank you, my husband. Help so much. We move the plant and compost. One a really good area. Okie dokie. Enjoy. Thank you.